Hi guys, let's make fufu. This one is fufu from Ghana. This is from Nigeria. So last time we make this, today we are making Nigeria one. So join me, let's make a soft fufu. This is plantain fufu. So first thing we had, it was water. You have to have your warm water and put your powder plantain fufu. So you start mixing it the way I'm doing it now. It's very easy because some people complain about it that it's very easy to mix. You have to continue mixing it like this. Those of you that is asking me every time, how do you mix, how did you do it, this is how we are doing it, guys. It's very easy. I'm going to be adding some water because it's strong. I don't like it is soft as usual. So continue mixing your fufu. This is plantain fufu. So I'm going to be adding more water, guys. I like when my soft, I like eating soft fufu. If you are the kind of person that I used to watch me, you know that I love soft fufu. I don't like strong because when you eat soft fufu, very fast to digest. That is why I love eating soft fufu. So this is Nigeria fufu. Yes, our fufu is ready. Fufu is ready, guys. Let's put it for plates. Guys, here is our fufu. Our plantain fufu is ready. Check it out. Very smooth. Very smooth. So if you are looking you want to know how to make fufu, watch this video to learn how to make fufu in a very easy way, guys. And I'm going to be demolishing it with my soup. Here we have ogbolo soup and okra soup. It's mixed together, and this is what we are using to eat this fufu, guys. And don't forget to, if you like this video, don't forget to share. Our fufu is ready. Come and join us, guys. I can't wait to eat it. I'm very hungry. Bye for now. It's ready. Come and join us, guys. I can't wait to eat it. I'm very hungry. Bye for now.